Okay, hi everybody. So we're here today for the SAT question of the day for August 17th, 2011. If you take a look at the top right here, you'll notice that 54% of students answered this one correctly. So we could go ahead and classify this one as a medium level question. And it is a math question, so let's go ahead and read it. If x to the 1/3 equals y squared, which of the following must be equivalent to x? Okay, so they give us x to the 1/3, but they don't give us x. So what that means is that we're going to have to try to manipulate this equation to isolate x by itself. I also know by glancing down to my answer choices here, which is always a good idea on any math question, I can see that all of the answers are in terms of y. So not only am I solving for x, but I'm solving for x in terms of y. Let's start with the original equation, x to the 1/3 equals y squared. Well, how do I turn x to the 1/3 into x? Well, I need to get rid of the 1/3. And the way to get rid of the 1/3 is to turn it into 1. So how do I turn 1/3 into 1? Well, I need to multiply it by 3. Now, if I know my exponent rules, which by the way are up at the top of this problem if you need to review them, I know that if I have an exponent, an exponential expression rather, right, and I take that to a power, then all I have to do is multiply the exponents in order to get my answer. So for example, up on top here, you'll see that x to the 5th to the 3rd equals x to the 15th, right? Now that little sign up there is just a caret sign. It's a way to notate powers with the regular typewriter. Unfortunately, my program doesn't have a regular exponent option, but hopefully you get the idea. I've also got the rules here for multiplication and division. So anyway, x to the 1/3 to the 3rd is the same as x to the 1/3 times 3, which is x to the 1. So all I have to do is take both sides of this equation to the 3rd power, and I get my answer. So x to the 1/3 to the 3rd, or cubed, equals x. And now I have to go ahead and take the right side of the equation to the 3rd power. So y squared cubed, or y squared to the 3rd, is the same as y to the 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So x is equal to y to the 6th. And that is answer choice